Computech Technology Services provides superior on-site computer PC repair, networking, and voice and data cabling services throughout the entire city of Abbeville, Louisiana. Our skilled, industry-accredited on-site PC repair and networking technology specialists travel straight to your Abbeville site to provide fast, budget-friendly installation, setup, diagnostic and repair work on an extremely wide variety of different computer PC, printer, and networking technologies. Whether you want Windows OS error repair performed on your desktop or laptop workstation, virus removal, or complex hardware diagnosis and repair services for main boards, RAM, CPUs, or HDs, our top-notch computer system PC professionals have you covered. If you need network installation, configuration and diagnosis and repair services consisting of full voice and data structured cabling services, our expert skilled voice and data network techs are all set to service your Abbeville site right now. Whether you require troubleshooting of your ISP modem, network router testing, or simply need one of our Pro Louisiana technicians to pull some brand new cabling to support your growing network, we have it all covered, quickly and professionally. Give us a call today and learn why we are Louisiana's most requested on-site PC repair, network, and voice and data structured cabling service provider, 859-780-3020.